As you can see, this is a flatter, which is a banku-ish form of kondo that's been cooked on fire, roughly about 45 minutes. So it looks almost like it's banku, but it's not banku. And it's going to be mixed with the kondo. And once it's mixed with the kondo, that's when you have Ga Kenkey. You know, so this is a process that mustn't be skipped. So Zoe is going to try her hands and experience how Ga Kenkey is molded. I'm so jealous right now. I wish I was also trying this. But I will come here again, and I know Auntie Alpele will show me how it's molded. So guys, this is a very, very unique experience.
Feeling very privileged right now.
Very privileged experience. You know, not everybody gets to try this, so.
Just lifting it up for maybe. I mean, what I love about this, you know, you were talking about this earlier, but what I love about a dish like this is it is like zero waste, isn't it? It's like it's grown and every little part of it
It's used.
is used to make the dish. So she's kind of shaping it off the edge of the bowl there. How is she managing for it to not to just stick to her hands though?
It doesn't stick. It's kind of like you're molding clay, right?
Yeah? I guess. Technique.
Kama yo de nike onye ni oka bokun ona.
Okay.
Oh, sani ona no ko oka
So you don't waste the kenkey.
Okay, so you scrape your hands out.
O ha for de hu be no o ha for o de no ma fe. Nu e fe ba fe mak poto.
Exactly.
Ona.
So she's saying if you are to be putting your hands in water all the time, the kondo becomes too sticky and watery, right? Okay. So they use the plates to scrape off when the hands become too sticky.
Then we are going.
So this is very important. Watch here.
Okay. Wow.
So that's like three husks. Twist. Turn in your hand as well.
Oh, that's the bit. So you open it back up and get it in there.
Yep.
And then you reseal it.
And fold it back in.
Wow, that is like magic.
Yeah.
You kind of seal it, but then twist it.
Twist it before she makes the indentation.
Alba Fanani can think of me.
You see, so she makes the indentation, then puts the tail end into it and seals it. And brings it all back together.
She's making it look very, very cheating because my pieces of corn are very big. So I think it's small.
That one's too big. You can use
just two.
Let me show you how to do it. See.
Put it at the back.
Oh, because it's big, you just need two. It's fine.
And then...
Okay, so
See how I'm doing.
Her hand turns, yes.
Ah, okay,
Right.
okay.
And then the indentation.
So when it starts coming out the bottom, that's when I do the indent, isn't it? Huh? Is it right?
You turned it too much, it's too tight.
Story of my life. Okay.
Let me show you how to do it easy way.
Okay. I told you she made it look easy.
You see?
Watch her.
Oh, you're just holding this.
Yeah.
You're just running around.
Yeah.
It's like a piping bag.
Exactly.
Okay, that's beautiful.
Oh, no,
No, not the.
no,
not the
you
house.
don't use your tongue. You can use your, you don't use your toe. You can use
Your forefinger.
Forefinger.
Yes.
Okay, sorry. And then this goes in here. No?
Anyway, come here, like,
First time I name of Yamo.
don't use that one. You can use this one.
Oh, because you've already pinched that one. Alright, so that's going to go in here.
Yep. There you go.
And then I close it back up.
I'm
horrible at this. Hang on. I'm not a natural at this. It is a lot more.
It's not.
It is a lot of cooking and hard sweat and labour that goes into making one ball. And it's a very delicate skill. It looks so easy.
After you put the leaves on it, then you have to do this.
But getting that pinch right even, so it's not too tight or too loose, is obviously integral to this.